This is our Gillingham HMO project. It consists of 14 flats, all one bed with ensuite. There are 2 communal kitchens and a lounge area. In each kitchen there is 2 hobs and 2 ovens, as well as fridges for the tenants to store their items. The kitchen on the ground floor also contains the laundry area, which has 3 washing machines and 3 tumble dryers. There are distribution boards placed in easy accessible locations in the communal corridor for the tenants to access if they need to reset their circuits. Each flat has a RCBO lighting circuit and an AFDD RCBO for the sockets. There are sockets placed in the communal areas for the cleaners, which are on a timer to deter tenants using them for e-scooter keeping the hallways clear. Each flat has a smart meter, which allows the client to monitor consumption as bills are included. They don't want to charge additional costs to tenants for someone else's excessive usage. The project was started in June and will be completed by the end of November.